Hi, I'm Charlie Samodelis at Carroll Water Systems. I'm an analytical chemist and a master water specialist. Today we're here to talk about softeners. Softeners are put into many homes for many reasons. People don't like hard water, calcium, build up on their hot water tanks, build up in their dishwashers, white scale, the feel of the water, the staining that occurs because of iron in the water, all of which softeners are very good at solving. There are also other things that softeners are applied for that most people don't realize. There are many health concerns that can also be removed by softeners, including reducing radium, barium, and some lead components depending upon the construction and timing of the home. So give us a call, we'll test it and find out what the best application for you is, and softeners are always a great bet in a home. Thanks.